Hello, 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 hello. Do you hear me? Let's test if we have a voice. Oh, hello. Yes, we have a voice. Okay, cool. So we will continue backtesting from yesterday, and let's go ahead on a monthly time frame. We don't have previous months, so monthly time frame will not be useful that much. Weekly is starting to reject, so it's Sunday. Let's go on session. Let's bring the sessions down here and let's go on London session. London, Tokyo, pre-London, we close like this and then we start to break down. Okay. Now, yeah, okay. Now we had to move up. I believe we'll continue moving down. On daily time frame, we have this support here. If we break this support, why we don't have many dates on the left? I forgot it. Too bad. Anyway, we're gonna leave for buys. It's gonna be tricky. We need to look buys above here. If we flip here, we have a support here which we can fill. We have this clean traffic on this side. Our risk will be 1% per trade. Our trades will be at the top here. Our trading plan is going to be here, so it's price at support. We're looking for closure below support for continuation to the downside. Let's go in 1 hour. Yeah, wait, we need to mirror these levels, clone them to the other time frames. Daily is like this, 1 hour is like this. So if we break this down here, we should be able to continue to a downside, but we can also continue with, oh wait, this here. If we can, for example, we can come up to this level again and then form some sort of resistance and retest this low made, or we can just come flip if there is a lot of selling pressure. We can just flip and continue to this level, which is almost 70 pip, 60 pip. So we need to be quite safe. So 5 minute is like this. This is pre-London, price is moving up. It's very nice. Now this is 30-minute time frame, 15-minute shows started to show this rejection. So as soon as we come below here, I think it's better. It will flip down. So as we discussed it, we can come up, reject this area again, and start flipping down because overall the trend is bearish. Look at this, we broke this low, we closed above 4 hour close, very strong bearish. It just needs a flip and a bit of volume with London, I believe. It will continue to the downside. 5 minute, 15 and 5 minute are quite bearish. In this case, for example, when you anticipate this move, if you take a sell here, it has a 15 pip, 16 pip stop loss. This is very risky because obviously we broke these highs, but we anticipate that this was just a deviation to this resistance, and now I'm gonna come back close below and then we'll just continue to the downside. It will give us already to the next execution, it will give us 40 pips of profit with only 15 pips, 17 pips of stop loss. So you go in lower time frame, you see that 5 minute is rejection. We need just to wait for this 5 minute to close, and I believe once if we close to the downside, as you can see, you can easily enter a sell here. Even though we lost, how many pip now is? Now it's 18 pip. So we can enter an 18 pip sell here because we're just anticipating this 15-minute break the low. This is basically this this here. See, price makes a low, resistance formed, resistance formed, continuation to a downside, or we have something similar right over here. Price made a high, this was a high, resistance form, break of the lows, continuation to a downside. This is basically based on this. So we can take a sell here And yeah, let's see. And wait, it's very risky, but it will give us a lot of advantage if we start breaking lower and continue completely, because by this point where we would got activated, we would move stops at break even, and then this position is very easy to stay at break even, because if price decide to move up after this break here, it will just come up and retest this level. It will highly unlikely it will hit the stops at break even at this level. So that's why sometimes it's okay to take these riskier entries. So now we're moving very nicely. We're breaking below the 30-minute, coming back inside this range. Stop loss are in perfect position, because if we break this, we will potentially move much higher. So let's wait and see. Let's put it in pips. We have 3-4 pips in profit. 1 hour closed perfectly bearish. We have above 1 hour stop loss, above current 4-hour stop loss. Our stop loss is in a perfect position, I would say. Daily is continuing to a downside. This would be a perfect position in my opinion. It can obviously, now it can retrace, form a wick for the next 1 hour, and then continue to roll down if we tend to continue to roll down. But obviously it can still continue to a downside because we didn't break these lows. Anyway, we already anticipating that, and we're okay, because overall we know that the trend is bearish. We broke this high, now we came back, closed inside this range. Technically, if it was very high buying volume, price would never close below this previous resistance or previous support here, would close somewhere above here and continue to the upside. So yeah, it looks very nice so far in 1 hour. 1 hour has a lot of room to go. If we break these lows, if we break the support, we can easily retest this whole level here, which we can actually accept. Do we have a TP? Let's add a TP here. $110 pips. This would be insane if we got this trade. I'm not sure we will get that trade, but anyway. Let's just keep it that way and then probably modify the buy somewhere over here. We're gonna trade this week. As you can see now, it's perfect. And then we can wait for this 30-minute candle to close. We can start to make it a bit faster maybe. Perfect. This is pre-London side. I believe if the London volume continue to the downside, it's gonna be an amazing trade. 4-hour flip bearish, daily is about 4 hour. If we as soon as we break the previous lows, it's gone basically. That's it. Yeah. So now we can easily move stops at break even, be risk free at this point. 15-minute close like here. Yeah, 15 minutes is a bit tricky to be honest. Should have been maybe close some partials normally, but yeah, we're just flipping down, and yeah, this would just continue, I believe. It's bearish momentum, maybe at 40 pip, 42, 43, 40, 50 pip. Let's close some partial here, like 20% maybe. This is insane. Like very easy setup, just like here, for example, seeing this 1 hour, this trade was executed just like this. According to this trading plan that we have here, price makes a low, price made a low, came back, formed resistance confirmed. We entered a bit early, but on the 15-minute, but also here would have been perfect. Break of the lows in 1 hour, retest the low, and yeah, that's it basically. So we're, oh wow, this is moving insane. Let's wait for the volume. Should I close? I think maybe it's better to close a bit more, another 20% maybe. Let's close another 20% at 50 pips. And then wait for the rest. Now this is the best, because even if we have stop loss set here, prices to come up to this level, it needs whole retracement. It means that it will retrace the whole, and I believe price will hit our TP before it actually reaches that level. So let's go and see. 78, 70 pips. Oof. Let's see if we hit stop take profit. Let's leave it. Technically, in normal scenario, I would close everything here. I would not wait for TP, but since we're in stimulation and this is not actually real money, and the London Open hasn't still open, actually because of London Open not still open, let's move to this and then close partial here maybe. Let's see this 30-minute how it closes. Oh, 30 minutes start breaking the lows. So at 80 pips, 80 pips, 80 pips. Give us an 80 pip. Give us an 80 pip. Yes, 82 pips. I'm gonna close another 20% here. Okay, let's wait for 90. Oh, I closed everything. It's fine. Still, I wanted TP to hit, but yeah, because I believe this will continue. But this is insane. Like, this was. Anyway, support is being approached, so probably it will retrace now after this whole move of 80 pips getting. This is almost 4% in Monday. Wow. This is fun. This trade would have been also below here as initially planned once we break these levels, but since we were up here. So yeah, we need to check, for example, this trade was something like this. We had a resistance here, price broke above. Usually you after this would have been in buys, but in a selling downtrend, you have to be really careful on the breakouts, because as you can see, price just breaks to the downside. Oh wait. Whoa, price is moving another 20 pips, so it would have been 100 pips already. What? Nice, amazing. So, as I was saying, in uptrends on the breakouts, yes, you take, but you see no wick at the top. 15-minute closure weak, not weak. This would have been a nice closure, but didn't even break the highs. Came back, closed. This candle closed below, break these lows. This is like came back inside the range. Minimum it will retest this range again, because this shows not enough strength. As soon as you close back inside the range, below this resistance here, price is not having a, especially after all this bullish momentum, it's not that easy. For example, same here, you have a range, price after this bearish momentum, range closed above, start showing rejection, and then continue again. Range closed above, break. Range closed above, fail to break these highs. Close above, fail, continue to the downside here, then inside, but then since it didn't break this low, this could have been a nice push, but still break inside the range, continue to the downside. And yeah, so let's see today what the price will give us. Oof, whoa. 60 more pips. What? Almost 150 pips trade insane. But anyway, our plan was like at this level here, clean candle, previous support. We don't want to risk that if it will break or not, even though when you see the time here, not even London open yet. So yeah, technically price will just smash through. Did we add news on or what happened? No news, no nothing. Insane. This is insane. Okay. But I think we had this level also some days before on another back test. I'm not sure if this is the same case or not. Anyway, let's go. So now let's just check. Now price is retracing. Look, again, price retrace, form rejection. This would have been a clean sell. On the break of the lows here, let's see if it makes sense. Yeah, we have clean traffic. Oh, we don't see, but we have clean traffic. Break of the lows here should have been another clean sell here, to be honest. Yeah, 30-minute closes, no wake, 15-minute. Let's wait for a 5-minute closure and then maybe we will have, if we close this 5-minute bearish, we can now close bullish. Yeah, not really. Now wait, now this is interesting. Close back inside, closing below support. This should be a nice sell in my opinion, but it's close to this support. I don't like it. But I have a feeling that price will just smash through because this was like support and bomb, and then now it just will just smash through. We can take actually a sell with current stop loss. 10 pip, 11 pip. Okay, since we have 20 pip stop loss, if we flip here, I will close, meaning that only 0.5% I will lose. So let's keep this. Let's see if price will fake us out or like also modify maybe. No, I'm not gonna modify it. Let's keep it like this. 15-minute. Will we push through or not? Oh, we're gonna flip. Good. Not really. Ooh, nice. Go. Push. Support. I'm taking cells at support. This is crazy. But I don't know. Like we're breaking the lows on the 4-hour. Now it's like London's. Yeah, this is stupid. Very stupid. But let's see. Let's push another 5-minute. Push another 5-minute. Yeah, now it should be good actually. Now we have this 30-minute. We have this 30-minute here. If we break the 30-minute high, it's fine. If we don't, like, yeah, 15-minute finding support. Yeah, I need to close everything. Still. Okay. I know it will hit, but I want to leave it. Good. On the 1 hour, it still makes sense though. If we flip on 1 hour, I'm gonna give this trade a second chance. Ooh, not even flip, but break to the upside like crazy. Nice. So now we're at resistance. We are inside this range at resistance. We can take a sell here, anticipating the New York push will continue price to downside. But 1 hour is bullish, 4-hour close like this. 4-hour can actually just fill the wick and continue to a downside because we have a nice 4-hour closure. Okay, let's wait and see. I'm gonna wait for a 15-minute closure, 15-minute close bearish at resistance. Let's see how this 15-minute will close. 15-minute closes like this. Let's create a wick and then we take a sell. 40 pip. 39 pip stop loss. We have this level here. 30-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour. I don't like that 4 hour has no wick. Weekly is bearish. Okay. Let's see how this 30-minute close bullish. Now I believe we can just easily take a sell here. Yeah, take a sell here. Stop loss is very nice. As soon as we move like 10-15 pip, we can move stops at break even. This is very high risk, but I'm anticipating on the 4 hour filling this wick and the 30-minute never breaking this resistance inside this range. So it's a good trade, not really good because not really well executed, because technically we should have been in sells below here, not like here, but still I believe it will continue. We're breaking the support on 15 minutes, so should be good to go down. 15-minute close bearish, bullish, so let's wait and see. Breaking these lows should be able to continue. Or maybe I'm gonna close because I don't want to be in. Let's close. Let's see if we get and if we break the highs, I'm gonna close immediately. As soon as we break these highs here, I'm gonna close, or maybe actually just move my stop loss right over here and accept this 30 pip pound loss and then just leave it. Because I don't feel confident with this push, with this volume. These very small candles on 15-minute, on 30-minute is actually perfect, is our candle, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm happy that I didn't close because 30-minute is looking very nice. 1 hour closed bearish. This technically should be a very nice trade. 4 hour filling the wick. Yeah, this is nice. This looks nice. It looks nice, and it's like, according to my trading plan, it's badly executed, maybe a lot of emotions involved, but let's see. We can still hit stop loss, but I'm happy. I'm fine even if we hit stop loss, to be honest. So it's like bull bear. Let's see. Check. Oh, nice. Now we're moving. Now we are moving 17, 20 pip. Should I move stops at break even? Let me check. Yeah, we're breaking below stops at break even, risk free. I'm gonna let this run because I'm anticipating this 4 hour wick fill here. And then possibly we'll just break this. We tapped one time this, and if we come and break this will just slam down, like here, for example. So yeah, let's see. But this is very strong support. I have to be careful, but thank God our entry is quite on point. Oh, nice. Price is just smashing through. 30 pip. Let's move the. Oh, nice. 38 pip. Price is just breaking through. We have a perfect entry for this. We have 30-minute hour candle formation. This week I don't have it here on our trading plan, but I'm looking for another setup, like the 8th setup on my trading plan, but I'm taking data on it. I can show it to you quickly. It's here. It's this one here. U-turn setup or hour candle when price, let's say a bear. This, for example, hour candle. After this, it just smashes through, so should be good. 40 pip, 40 pip, almost 4% in profit. Let's close 50% or 30% of the position. Close and modify the stop loss till above this candle here at 12 pip, the rest of the position. So if we hit, let's wait and see if we can smash through. 4 hour broke the low. Technically, it should just continue to a downside. 4 hour has another 2 hours. That is amazing. Another 2 hours to close this 4 hour. Obviously, you can do a lot of mess, but it can also go quite fast down. There is the 5 minute showing some bullish signs. Let's see if we break this 5 minute high. I'm just gonna close everything. But as you can see, price is just smashing through. Let's break these lows. Break the lows, please. Break the lows, break the lows. We need these lows to be broken, and then, oh, nice. Now we can confirm it that we will smash through this whole range. And maybe we can put a take profit. 30 pip, accept. No. We are 70 pip, accept, modify. We're almost at 70 pip. We have this clean level here. At this point here, when it reaches this, I'm gonna close 50%. So the same scenario, price made a low, came back, formed resistance. Price made a low, came back, formed resistance, smashes through. Price makes a low, came back, formed resistance, break the low, entry. Made a low, came back, break the low, entry, and then we just waiting and waiting now at 50 pips. Let's see. Let's see if we can smash through this or not. Normally I would not be able to hold this trade this much, to be honest, because that's why I'm trying to hold this trade, not to make more profit or something, but to train myself basically. Move my stops here at 27 pips everything, which is perfect. Hour candle on 5 minute. 30 minute is showing some sort of stupidity. Yeah, no. Now this would scare me a lot, like 16 pips. I mean, it would scare me in times of 1 hour. We have a nice stop loss in 1 hour, I would say. But let's see, we can maybe just close and just straight push, because we are in New York session. There's high volume. Ooh, nice. You see, this is why we're gonna use this stimulate to train ourselves to hold these positions, especially in high volume moves. Oh, nice. Let's close, because we said that when we reach this level. Oh no, we're reaching this level. Let's close 50% here, and then now we can easily. Should we wait? I'm not sure we're gonna hit stop take profit, to be honest. I'm gonna close another 50% here, and then now I'm gonna wait for the stop loss and actually just move to the next day. What? Yeah, you see, it's good that we waited, but oof, we hit actually. That is nice. We take profit, but first we hit stop loss. Okay, let's go to the next day. And let's see from a daily time frame. Daily is now bullish, 4 hour is bullish closing after this. If we break above here, close, we can see a move up, maybe. But we have very strong move. Yeah, I don't see this to be happening, to be honest. But we have a clean traffic here. If we close above here, we can wait and see. Price is at resistance. Price is rejecting. 4 hour is flipping. 30-minute is rejecting very nicely. 15-minute closing also. So technically this should be a nice trade, a nice sell. Overall trend is sell, 28 pips. For 30, eventually 60 pips. Let's take a sell with half. It's very risky, but I'm gonna try it. Nice. We're 1 pip in profit. 5 minutes just breaking down. 1 hour rejecting the high, broke the low. 4 hour continuing to make the wick. We can move no stops at break even. And just let this bad boy run. If it runs. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's fine. We're happy with anything. I'm just happy that I was aware to see this and activate, even though after this whole move to bearish bullish, I was anticipating buys, and then I see this 1 hour at the resistance, 30-minute reject in this level, and then I see this clean traffic, and then I anticipate this move, which is very nice. We're about to hit break even, but anyway, we were at this almost 16 pip in profit. Technically should have been closing because inside the range, but yeah, I was happy to see this opportunity. So 15-minute now is again 15-minute closing. Let's wait. If we flip on 15-minute without breaking the high, still it's a good opportunity to take a sell. Huh? It's the last 15-minute. One hour closed bearish, 30-minute closed bearish, 50-minute closed like this. I'm gonna take a sell here again with half risk because I believe this will trade, this will continue to the downside. Let's see the weekly. Weekly is bearish, daily closed bearish. Imagine if we flip on daily, this would be an awesome trade. 4 hour breaking the lows, 1 hour breaking the lows, continuing, 30-minute continuing its bearish momentum. Let's see. Let's modify our stop loss above here, 7 pip, which I would be very happy. See, this is a trade, giving the trade a second chance because I was very furious with that moving at break even before, and now potentially we should continue to the downside, even though previous 4 hour has closed bullish, and now we're tapping this support. So maybe I'm gonna close 50% of my position here because I don't feel confident, and really move this stops at break even so I don't lose anything on this trade. And if we continue its bearish momentum, it continues. If we don't, because we can flip at any point, this was strong support before this level, and then technically we made a high here breaking this level even though we're at resistance, so we can reject at any point to continue because the 4 hour is bullish and daily is still bullish, so I'm not gonna take any chance with taking losses because today were like quite good. So So let's check 30 minute. Let's move 5 minute. Ooh, 5 minute is moving down, down. This is perfect. Ooh, 30 pip take profit. Nice. So I'm anticipating this continuation now. Strong continuation. Daily is about to flip. This is perfect. Our stop loss is in a very good position, I would say. Even though I want, just for the sake of training, I want to close another 20% here, even though this is nothing. But I just want to train myself for closing this, especially in this pushes where you get like a bit of adrenaline, like yes, I'm winning, but this is obviously for training purposes, so we don't want to make these mistakes on real life. So as soon as I see a 15-minute closing bullish and then next 15-minute break the highs, I'm gonna close my position. But this is basically not even London open yet. So at 44 pips, maybe we close everything. Yes. Let's see the 1 hour. 1 hour is just smashing through. So at 44 pips, I'm closing everything at this point. 4 hour is smashing through. Daily is flipping. Yeah, we can easily smash through on the daily time frame, but I'm gonna wait and see how the price reacts. So 15-minute close is bullish. That was actually a very good exit. Or 30-minute close bullish. Wow. This was a very good exit because, yeah, like you see after this whole 1 hour push, you don't want to wait for on the retracement on the 1 hour. You can like close here, and then if it starts flipping, breaking the low, you can enter another trade if you really want to ride this to this area, but not really waiting on retracement. Yes, it can happen that just pushes down, but that's obviously how comfortable you are. Like in this case, for example, break the lows, you could easily re-enter the trade. Seeing this closure, now you can re-enter the sells. Basically, you lost 5 pips, but you then was in drawdown this here. But I'm not gonna take this trade because I don't feel comfortable with it. Daily is flipping now bearish. 1 hour is moving down, so let's wait and see how down this will go. Why it's so many retracements. Let's see this. If we break these lows, we should be able to continue to the downside, rejecting that area one more time, breaking. See this strong support. I want to avoid these ranges, especially trading in this environment. 30-minute is here, 1 hour is here, 4 hour is here. 4 hour flipping, made a wick, flipped, and then just continued. This was amazing. 1 hour close below here could have been a sell. 30-minute now just breaking this support, just moving, smashing through this support. I want to see how this price reacts around this support. Obviously it's just breaking, and then yeah, then we have this. Okay, now it's daily is breaking the low. This is New York session. 4 hour breaking support. 1 hour closing below support. Last 30-minute closing. Poof. What? This is insane. let's see, I'm gonna give this trade a second chance. If as soon as we flip now, I'm gonna potentially take a sell. Let's break the support and we are heading down. Oh. Did we break the support? Yes. We break, but we're coming back inside. This is not so good. Yeah, we broke. Now we broke officially. So now we should be able just to write this down. And then as soon as we hit 5% here in profit, I'm gonna close this everything. So let's hopefully in this trade we're gonna lock in this profits. First of all, let's modify my stop loss because I don't feel comfortable with that big stop loss. I'm gonna move it just here 10 pips. Then maybe next bar will just smash through. Oof. What? This is crazy. Our candle there. This is just smashing through, baby. Break even, closing partial, 50% close. Done. Easy. Easy money on the bank. 4 hour. But now I'm gonna close not because of 5% profit here, but because of this. I don't have any more data, so I don't know how to analyze below here. So tomorrow we're gonna do another backtesting session. This was very nice. We had only one loss in this session. Small loss, I would say. Where was that loss? I believe we took a sell here. After this breakout came inside the range, we faked out and then we took, and then we write this trade down, we write this trade down, we write this trade down, we write these two candles, not really writing completely, but that's perfect. So yeah, let's close another 50% and let's see what happens here. Next bar, next bar, next bar. Can we reach actually 5.5%? Oh, 5.9, 5.5%. Locking everything here at how many pips? Was this trade here? 65 pips. This is perfect, like insane trades. Thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, support the channel, and tomorrow we're gonna start with Tuesday, 26th of 26th of April, and then we will see, or 27th of April on Wednesday of April, and then hopefully I will download the data before this, so we have a better bars and chat bars. I should add here the numbers, so that's why it was a problem. Let me add the 4 hour actually here. Okay, let me close this and let me add this here. Open. Still I don't have below above here. I need to check what was the problem. Anyway, thank you guys. Like and subscribe, support the channel, and I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.